Hi learners, welcome to Hybrid Week 2. Today is a short week. We just have school on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then you have the rest of the week off for MEA break. I will see the black group on Monday and Wednesday, and the purple group on Tuesday this week. If you look at my screen, you can see in Google Classroom our next topic and unit is October 12th through 14th, and we're getting into the relationship skills unit. On Monday, the assignment is to watch the TED Talk that's linked, watch and listen to the TED Talk, and complete the quiz after you're done watching. On Monday, the lesson is all about body language, and the standard is monitor how facial expressions, body language, and tone impacts interactions. On Tuesday, the topic is passive, assertive, and aggressive communication. The standard is differentiate between passive, assertive, and aggressive communication and responses from others. Your first step will be to Google the definitions of the vocabulary words. Look at the communication styles emoji chart, which is linked. And then role play scenarios. So I'm going to ask you to create videos on your iPad showing or demonstrating all three communication styles. So you'll either have one video where you have three sections, passive, assertive, aggressive, or you can have three different videos, one for passive, one for assertive, one for aggressive. You can either attach your videos here to this assignment and hit turn in, or you can email your videos to me. Wednesday's assignment is about conflict resolution. The standard is to apply conflict resolution skills to de-escalate, diffuse, and resolve differences. Your first step is to take the pre-test. It looks like this. You'll have to edit on it and write on it. You circle where you're at. Are you a 1, a 2, or a 3? Same thing here, a 1, a 2, or a 3. Read the description so that you understand which each number means. And at the bottom, you're writing down the hardest part of resolving conflict with a peer is blank. Okay, I'm going to go back. That's step 1. Step 2 is to look at the slideshow and also complete the note-taking sheet as you go. This is what the slideshow looks like. Oopsies. And I want to go back now. And this is what the note-taking sheet looks like. You're going to record factors that create positive conflict resolution and factors that create conflict resolution, roadblocks. This is in the slideshow. You'll be able to get answers from the slides. And finally, step 3 says take the post-test. So it looks a lot like the pre-test. You're going to again circle if you're at a 1, a 2, or a 3. Hopefully you're over at a 3 since you've done the lesson, and hopefully you can definitely resolve conflicts positively. Okay, and then at the bottom, questions or concerns I still have about resolving conflict with peers. So if you still have any questions about this topic, this is where you would record it. That is your homework for the week. Please make sure to go through each one and hit the turn in button so that I can see your evidence and put your scores into Empower. You do have access to Empower now. The information was sent out on Friday, so please check Empower to see if you're missing any assignments and how you can make sure you're meeting the requirements and meeting the standards. Thanks all. Have a good week.